Hey guys, we're back in my channel. If you didn't notice that we are gonna play Tower of the Hell. OMG! Siri, stop. Sorry, that's Siri. OMG! Okay, Siri. Shh. Okay, sorry guys. Now we're gonna play Tower of the Hell. I think that's Tower of the Hell. Okay, let's just join server. Yeah. It's gonna be like that. Yeah, like that. Still see me. It's not like you can see me, right? Can you? Don't really freak out. Can you see me? Oh yeah, I'm just not looking to like that. That's no, maybe like that. Yeah. Now you can see my screen perfect. Not like a blob. What? Oh, it's like stuck. Why do you have to be stuck? You know, I have to win. I have to win. Oh, gee, that guy was so silly. He was like, whoop. And I'm like, oh. Never mind then. Okay. Okay, I'm not trying to be mean, but whatever. Hey, that was mean. I wish I had just played it. Like a normal person. OMG, yep. Look. No, they're right there. They're next to me, Corona. Okay, I'm always saying Corona. I don't know why, because Corona, get away from me. Get away from me. I'm sorry, because I Corona. Please do not know about the Corona. The Corona. Like Corona. Yes, Corona. Okay. I'm like, yes, Corona. You're like, OMG, this girl thinks Corona's fun. I'm like, no, I don't. Okay. Oh. Yes, I'm a different one. Yes, I'm taking the fin. Oh, I just died. So, bloop. See you later. I like later. Okay, I have to get there because I know how to go back there. But yeah, people can't go in my way. OMG, that's what I do this, but I don't like doing that. I like to play chicken like that. Okay, I was about to fall, but it's okay. Yeah. Should I just wait in? I'm alone. I hope there's glitches. Glitches, just stop and just don't move. Yeah. Oh, please don't reconnect. That's gonna be horrible. Always reconnect sometimes. It's because of the time. Yeah, the time. Yeah. About. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Wow, that was so close. Okay, and yeah, if you didn't know, we're doing part 2. Yes, we're doing part 2. Part 2. Because this is just so fun. Okay, I have to go back to my 11th place. Please come here. Oh, glitch! I was like, glitch! I'm like, how did I just die? That's not fun. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Look, it just took off. So let's just go. OMG. Oh, I love this, Mamacita. I love this. People don't die. Oh, I fell. See, you didn't die. You fell. The hell? Oh. Never mind. Now I OMG, no way. No, I'm not doing that. No, wait, why I just died? Well, I'm a pro, so let's go to pro. I'm like, whoop, I'm a pro. Let's just go to pro. Well, it's not. If it's not a pro, I'm leaving this one. Because I'm not that a pro. I'm just a pro. It's something. Oh, what the hell? Did I not kill that girl? Yes! Did they buy that thing? I don't know, but I'm just gonna... Yep. I think they buy it, but whatever. I'm sure they buy it. What the hell? Yep, there, I'm sure. But how can I... Wait, what the... Oh, maybe they buy the invisible thing. Yep. See? Weird. But what? I always have to do, see? OMG! That girl was in my way, girl. You make it out of my way. Oh, bro. Sorry, guys, I went scream. I'm just getting really mad when I die. Okay. Girl, you have to get out of the way, girl. People have to see. OMG. That's so unfair. Whatever. Let's not be mean. So I'm never mean. I don't know what the hell. Sorry, guys. I just get mad. Something. See? Like I was about to die. That gets me mad. What the hell? Okay. What? What did I do to die, bro? OMG. See? We're doing it differently. Fine, because of that girl in our way. Sorry about that. Okay, if she's looking at this video, I'm sorry, friend. I'm making you sick. I'm making you sick. Okay, guys, sorry, but I'm just kind of noob. I'm a noob at this. Okay. What the hell? Oh, no, it's not this. It's really easy. In the center. Come back to me. I hate this. I hit that. Wow. Okay, I'm going to bro. This is really hard, bro. No one's like doing nothing. And sorry, I'm really crying because I have to make quest. Okay, sorry. I don't even know how to say either. Wow. And I'm like 8. Wow. I'm actually 8, but whatever. Oh, I'm so idiot, bro. So I just got it wrong. I'm like, I'm blah. And I'm like, oh, yeah, Mama's in the top. And I'm like, I look in the map and I'm like, so hot. God. Okay, yep. Guys, you're gonna end this video right here. I'm just gonna download. Yep, you're just gonna end this video right here. Bye.